Oh look, an aluminum 8-foot Super Duty bed on a 1981 F150 frame. It can be done. Fits with minor modifications. The rear of the truck now sits 5 inches higher. The mounting bolts, 4 of the mounting holes were drilled out on the top of the frame over the axle for the mounting bolts. Those 4 over the axle were drilled out with a 5/8 drill through the frame. You also need to extend the frame in the rear with aluminum 3/4-inch aluminum blocks on both sides. The front brackets were joined with angle iron in the front. Let us take a look under there. This angle iron joins the front together. And shims were also added too. The gas fill was the most challenging. Had to remove both of the bracing to clear the modified gas fill. F150 has fuel fill near rear and wheel. Super Duty has it near the driver's door. Since the rear now sits 5 inches higher than the front, you might have to change the front springs an extra 5 inches higher, or fix the rear springs lower. The stock rear bumper needs some minor trimming. Look at the rear bumper. We had to trim a little bit to make it fit right where the Super Duty area is. This bumper must be removed before you install the truck bed. That makes it easier for you. You have to make sure you have clearance when you set it down. You don't want it to rub. You can use 1-inch foam to keep it from scratching.